Ms. Quezette,
Yes, sir.
you said in Tagalog, ang tanga ng gobyernong to, not just as leaders, but as human beings. Is that what you feel?
Sir, I apologize. I do not know what happened on December 28 to make me angry. But if I wrote it that time
You're apologizing.
for not, no sir, I mean, I do not know what situation on December 28.
Let me
and what the
continue on.
context.
Let me
Yes, sir.
continue on. Says, ipapamudmud sa mga naka-braces na nagbabakasyon abroad ang AKAP money tapos utang ng 629 billion. Yung budget ng ayuda this year na pinibigay kung kani-kanino na nag-mall tour pa yung mga tanga na 500 billion uutangin ulit kasi nag-deficit daw. Give way to what her attorney said, no? And again, I would like to ask Ms. Chu to respond according to how her attorney advised her. Ms. Crescent,
Chair. Sorry, sir, I did not hear your question. My counsel was speaking with me. Could you kindly...
Representative Babante, do you have any question?
Yeah, I asked you a question a moment ago, and your lawyer conferred with you. So I agree with what your lawyer said, and your lawyer said that it's just a matter of oversight, and you're willing to apologize. So please do it now.
Yes, sir. My lawyer and I talked, and my case is a matter of oversight. And I apologize, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I'd like to manifest as the third time that Ms. Crisette apologized to this committee. Let me continue on.
Ito, Romy, sinend ko po.
On December 28, 2024, Ms. Crisette,
Yes, sir.
you said in Tagalog, ang tanga ng gobyernong to, not just as leaders, but as human beings. Is that what you feel?
Sir, I apologize. I do not know what happened on December 28 to make me angry. But if I wrote it that time
You're apologizing.
for not, no sir, I mean, I do not know what situation on December 28.
Let me
and what the
continue on.
context.
Let me
Yes, sir.
continue on. Says, ipapamudmud sa mga naka-braces na nagbabakasyon abroad ang AKAP money tapos utang ng 629 billion. Yung budget ng ayuda this year na pinibigay kung kani-kanino na nag-mall tour pa yung mga tanga na 500 billion uutangin ulit kasi nag-deficit daw. Mr. Chair, Ms. Crisette, ang galing mo naman. Tanga ang gobyerno, ikaw matalino. Ano? Am I right? Tanga ang gobyerno, hindi mo matalino ka.
Mr. Chair, when one is angry, one says bad things. And in the situation that, sir, Mr. Chair, in the situation when I found out
So you're
that
Mr. Chair, you still have words, no, Mr. Chair. Ibig sabihin, that you are actually telling your anger to your followers, your anger. Saan mo nakuha yung anger na yan? I mean, do you have the facts? Do you have the information? Do you have the documents? Mr. Chair?
Sir, nasa news po na uutang tayo this year and last year. Sir, sir, please, Mr. Chair, kaya ako nagalit kasi may nakita akong naka-angkap na naka-brace tapos sir, I am not laying it on the congressman. I am laying it on the person who gave that person 5,000 despite na, sir, kasi taxpayer kami. Masakit, sir, na makikita namin na...
Ms. Quezet, may I ask you the question, how much taxes did you pay? And I will tell you how much tax I paid.
Sir,
Ang katwiran mo, you're a taxpayer. Bakit? Anong palagay mo sa akin, di taxpayer?
sir, hindi naman po kayo yung sinasabihan ko ng tanga, Mr. Chair.
Kaya
It was
tinatanong
the
kita, Mr.
process
Chair.
of distributing the
Mr. Chair,
AKAP.
tinatanong kita kung saan mo kinuha ito. Sa news mo lang pala kinuha eh. Wala kang documents. You cannot even tell me if you're telling facts or truth.
Sir, nasa news po kasi
sasabihin
na
mo, tanga ang
magpuntang
gobyerno.
tayo.
My goodness, ibig mo sabihin, you're going to base your statement, tanga ang gobyerno, sa news na nabasa mo, Mr. Chair, and then you're telling me you're a journalist, and you're telling me that you're speaking the truth?
Mr. Chair, respectfully po, those are my feelings. Kasi binamigay natin yung pera sa
Therefore,
AKAP.
if that's your feeling, Mr. Chair, I demand that you apologize to this committee.
I will apologize, Mr. Chair, for my bad words or for... I apologize for my bad words, sir. I
Mr. Chair,
apologize for saying the word tanga in my post.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair, for admitting that, no? Siguro naman, makikita mo naman ang gobyerno, sasabihin mo mga tanga kami, siguro, pinapalagay mo, alam mo sa akin, Mr. Chair, ang pinapalagay ni Ms. Quezet, yung audience niya, mga tanga eh. Yun ang pinapalagay mo. Hindi ang gobyerno. Yung audience mo, mga tanga, kaya papaniwalaan nila ang sinasabi mo sapagkat yung audience mo mismo ang hindi nakakaintindi. That is fake news, Mr. Chair, and that is what we're investigating right now. You see? I hope that you understand that, Mr. Chair. Ms. Quezet, do you understand what I'm trying to say? Ikaw, nandito sa akin yung mga sinabi mo tungkol sa amin, ha? Hindi ako sumagot dyan, eh. Hindi ko na kinakailangan pang i-belabor yan. So, anyway, Mr. Chair, anyway, nakita ko naman na Ms. Quezet is now apologetic to what she said. I'd like to continue on, and I would like to ask TikTok here. Ms. Peachy, I can see that you are a very good English speaker.
Hello, good afternoon, Mr. Chair.
Yes, you are a very good English speaker. Are you an American or a Filipino?
Bisaya ko, sir.
Yun. Bisaya pala. Bisaya pala. Oh, okay. Kanina English, nakala ko, Amerikano ka eh.
Mr.
Diba?
Chair, wa may makasabot og Bisaya diri. Gamay ra. Bisaya.
Makasabot si Chairman Bisaya. Makasabot
Yes, sir.
si Bisaya.
May hapon, sir.
Maayong hapon
Kita
po.
mo.
May hapon.
Okay, Representative
Ito,
Abante.
Mr. Chair, I'd like to ask you a question. Who owns TikTok?
Mr. Chair, ByteDance is the parent company of TikTok.
Who?
ByteDance.
ByteDance.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Where is that located? What's the
ByteDance.
headquarters of ByteDance?
I believe, Mr. Chair, the headquarters of ByteDance is in China.
In China.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
ByteDance in China. I heard that ByteDance has connection with the Communist Party of China.
Mr. Chair, no, that's not true, respectfully.
So do you have that information? It's not true.
Mr.
Well, I
Chair,
have some
that's correct.
information,
It's
it's
not
true.
true. Yes, it's not
Meron
true,
ko
Mr. Chair.
information na totoo.
I'm
Na
sorry,
mayroong
Mr. Chair.
connection ang ByteDance sa People's Republic of China. Wala.
No, Mr. Chair. The Chinese government
Miss
is...
Peachy, Mr. Chair, no company in China can exist without any connection with the People's Republic of China. Communist Party of China. No company in China would ever exist without any connection with the Communist Party in China, Mr. Chair. Do you believe that?
Mr. Chair, I'm happy to explain the ownership structure of ByteDance. 60% of ByteDance is owned by global investors, including General Atlantic, Susquehanna, and also SoftBank.
Okay.
The other 20%, Mr. Chair, is owned by ByteDance employees around the world, including in Southeast Asia. And another 20% is owned by the founder of ByteDance, who is a private citizen
Mr.
who
Chair,
I believe lives in Singapore now. Sorry, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, you have syllable words. No, Mr. Chair, I don't actually care who owns it or who are the shareholders to it. What I'm just telling you is that if that is a Chinese company, headquarters in China, no company in China could ever exist without any connection with the Communist Party in China. That is what I'm saying, and I'm not asking a question to you. Now, let me ask you a question now. Who is the Filipino counterpart that owns TikTok?
Mr. Chair, there's no Filipino counterpart.
No Filipino counterpart. Therefore,
No, Mr. Chair.
it is totally a foreign company.
Mr. Chair, it is a company headquartered in Singapore and Los Angeles.
So with that, Mr. Chair, it means that you do not have to pay taxes in the Philippines for that?
Mr. Chair, we comply with all tax regulations that are imposed on us in this country.
It means that the BIR has imposed some tax liability on you?
Mr. Chair, we have the digital services tax, which will be an implementation, I think, within the year. I'm not quite sure, but we have the digital services tax.
Can you give us a document stating that fact, Mr. Chair?
Mr. Chair, we're happy to discuss this and provide more information.
Mr. Chair, I'd like to make a motion that Ms. Peachy submit to us documentation on the payment of taxes of TikTok.
Any second?
Second, Mr. Chair.
There's a motion. Motion is approved.
Ms. Peachy, Mr. Chair, do TikTok allow gutter language?
Mr. Chair, we strive to balance free expression with protecting user safety, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, is gutter language free expression? Let me ask you, are you a journalist or not?
Mr. Chair, no.
Okay, now, let me ask you now, being just a human being and a man and a person that believes in decency, does TikTok allow gutter language?
Mr. Chair,
Yes or no?
Mr. Chair, we allow various expressions on the platform, but we do restrict profanity for
You restrict
underage,
profanity.
yes, for underage users.
And what do you do when you restrict profanity?
It is not allowed on the For You feed,
Well,
Mr. Chair.
here is an example of profanity right there. Hindi ko nga kayang basahin eh.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
This is profanity.
Mm-mm.
That is profanity right here. Oh.
Papabasa ko sa DSP.
Sumagot na. Sumagot na.
Di ba?
Ano pa ba?
Oh.